Presenting Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE with 4G and S Pen in the color Mystic Black. The Tab S7 FE comes in 4 color variants of Mystic Black, Mystic Green, Mystic Pink and Mystic Silver, and in 2 size variants of RAM 4GB plus ROM 64GB and RAM 6GB plus ROM 128GB. The Tab S7 FE boasts 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory that allows you to run multiple apps without any hassle and store your files. The storage is further expandable up to 1TB. The tablet supports 4G connectivity. The Tab features a 12.4-inch large vibrant display that has a resolution of 2560 x 1600 pixels. The panel offers you a cinematic viewing experience in 16:10 screen ratio. The Samsung tablet comes with 8 megapixels primary camera and 5 megapixels front camera for all your photo shooting needs. This tablet lets you enjoy seamless apps and gaming experience with the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor. The Tab features a massive 10,090 mAh battery that lets you enjoy up to 13 hours of 720 pixels video playback. The box includes travel adapter, data cable, ejection pin, quick start guide and S Pen. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.